Are you ready to celebrate today?
Yes, sir.
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Hi. Okay, that's great. So, we got independence in 1947. You know all the history and all, na? So, after so many years of independence, why should we celebrate Independence Day? What is the reason? You know the reason to celebrate Independence Day? Can anyone tell me what's the reason to celebrate? We will have fun today. Yes, obviously we will have fun. Yes. 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 This is, we will rather celebrate the sacrifices. We will rather remember the sacrifices. Today is the day when we will, what we will do? We will remember, we will think about the sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters for whom we are enjoying our freedom. So what is freedom? What is freedom? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what is freedom? Devarshi, Srijit, what is freedom? Or Anupam and all, Tushar? Freedom is to choose our own life. Earlier, we had many restrictions. During the British era or the Mughal era, we had lot of restrictions. In British era, we couldn't speak our heart. We couldn't choose our careers. We couldn't choose our own prime minister. No. The prime minister, or now we can choose our own prime minister. Now we can choose our own chief minister. And now anyone can be prime minister or chief minister. No. From you one day we may get prime minister of the country. But this freedom was not there. Who gave this freedom? All the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives. They didn't think about their careers, their future, their family. They thought about the next generation, the generation they didn't see. Did they see us? No. But today we are enjoying our freedom because of them. So basically we will celebrate today and we will think, close your eyes and think that what kind of sacrifices they made for our freedom. And I told you earlier also, what is our responsibility now? What is our responsibility now? And what is our homage to those who sacrificed their lives? What is our responsibility? Tell me, boys, girls, what is our responsibilities now? First, we should utilize our freedom. We should make our country prosperous. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the sacrifices they made, that will be, we can pay homage to them. How we will make our country prosperous? Tell me. How can we make our country prosperous? Boys and girls, all my dear students, how? By being a good citizen, yes, and doing good first to us. if you do good, who will be benefited? We will be benefited. If you do bad, if you are not studying, if you are not doing good in your life, who will suffer? You and your country. A country where everybody is doing good, or most of the people are doing good, that country is prosperous. Yes or no? So when you do good to yourself, when you do good things in your life, you prosper your country. Yes or no? And I told you earlier, so our responsibility towards those who sacrifice their lives is first by doing good for yourself. If you become a good doctor, society will get benefited, the country will get benefited. You become an asset to the country, don't become a liability. Those who are not doing good in studies, you are becoming a liability to the country. And if you become a liability to the country, you are not paying homage, proper homage to our great freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So doing good is not for you, doing good is for the country. And our next